Alright guys, today have a 10-minute beginner fat burning morning routine that you can do every single day to help you burn and lose some weight. This has incorporated of 10 exercises during the workout, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, total beginner routine. So if you're new to exercise or just find it very difficult, this is definitely a workout for you. And it's also going to help you potentially burn that body fat off, because it's a lot better doing this style of routines, more hip functional, where it's actually using some of your muscle groups, which burns 24 hours a day. So you're burning calories all the way 24 hours a day, rather than doing steady state style training. So if you're on cross trainers, treadmills, that's also very boring. So try this workout out. It's definitely going to work for you. So why don't you try to do it every day and see how you feel going in the next weeks forward and actually seeing some improvement with yourself. So I want to get started with this workout. Let's go into it. Start with the first exercise, doing a flat out 10 minutes. Go ahead, start that first exercise. We're going to go from a low plank to a high plank. Wherever you're doing it, you might need a mat depending on the surface that you're working on, just to get that comfort. So on your arms and stuff, so we have your elbows down during the exercise as well. So we're just going to go in the next round 15 seconds. So low plank to high plank. This exercise, you want to set yourself up, getting that straight line through the body, shoulder to heels, and just coming up, and then coming back down again. Just keep that good line between your shoulders, so even the hands to the shoulders, that straight line, and control your breathing, regulate. So work with your pace here. It doesn't have to be this fast. You need to go a little bit slower. You pace yourself to your level of fitness. So we're going to take a 30-second rest, enough time to just catch your breath back, set you up for the next exercise. So just going like this all the way through, back to back, completing that in 10 minutes. It's going to go so fast, it's going to feel great, and you can definitely put something like this in every single day. So next exercise we're going to move into is the planked knee tucks. So again, straight line through the body. Just bring your knees in towards your chest. Breathe out and back. So you don't have to do this too fast. Just control. Keep good solid form. Breathe out. Breathe in. Go for the quality of the rep rather than trying to rush through. Not about how fast you work. All right. Just resting through. Next exercise, squat to squat jump. So this one, just coming up on your feet now, standing up, doing a squat into a squat jump. So one squat, in for a squat jump. Try to get those hips to push back. Try not let your knees bend too forward where your heels are lifting. Keep those heels down. All right. Are we going to feel that one? Feel the burn? Already started in those legs. All right, next one, just setting yourself up here. It's a knee push-up to a downward dog stretch. So line yourself up with that push-up. Make sure you're getting that stomach all the way down, chin down. Just coming up into a stretch. Get those hips high as you can. Shift your stretch coming down your legs into your calves. Let's go 1 rep push-up and 1 rep into that stretch. All right. So next exercise, going in for the hand plank. We're going to work some knee crunches. So it's like a mountain climb position. Just setting yourself up. Get that straight line again. Again, not looking at speed. Just bring that one knee towards the chest. Crunch. Breathe out and bring it back. Slow and controlled. So you find you need to slightly raise those hips so you can lock that core in. All right, again, just taking 30 seconds to rest there. Next one, we're going in for alternating lunges. So just going one forward, bring it back. If you feel a little bit stiff on the knees, you can always go into a reverse lunge rather than going forward, just reducing the pressure on the knees. Go backwards. But keep a straight line, chest out, shoulders rounded back. So you've got that balance through the body, weight distributed evenly through the legs. Bring that knee as far down as possible. All right. All right, just setting yourself up for a side plank. So we'll do 30 seconds one side, take a rest, and then 30 seconds, repeat the other side. Okay, so you got to get that up. Position up, 1 foot back, the leg underneath, bring it forward. Try and line that position up. And if you really find this tough, then you can actually start with the bottom leg on the floor and then keep the other leg straight, just holding that position there. Breathe. All right, so we're just gonna switch it around, turning around, just facing the opposite side. But give yourself that 30 seconds. So you should really feel that on this side, right around the ribs, getting that external side of the obliques here working. So we try to hold that, see where you find it comfortable. Trying to get through the full 30 seconds. Even if you don't, then just try to go into a more regressional form there and just drop that knee down. Opposite side. Yeah, so you get that hips, lift them up. Try not to drop them. Get the hip, lift them up, and you'll get that crunch into that oblique area. Hold it. All right. Let's move into exercise number 9. Alternate knee crunch, toe tap. All right, so this exercise, try to get a little bit of crunch on the upper abs. So lock them in, and you're gonna alternate, try to touch your heels, your toes. Bring that leg down, and bring the knee in. Breathing out as you bring that knee closer to the chest. So make sure you're not keeping your head down. Bring it up as you're fully engaging the entire abs. You can just take your time. Don't speed through the reps. All right, so we are moving in to one last exercise. Just removing the mat. I'm going to finish off with some butt kicks. So butt kicks, just getting that heel close as you can, 30 seconds, close to your glutes. Keeping tall on the upper body, don't slouch forward, chest out, shoulders back. So that is it. Comes to the end of that 10 minutes. Super simple, but yet challenging. You're really going to feel that just 10 minutes. And if you really want to push a little bit further, you really want to boost your results and get that higher potential of fat burning and really start to lose some weight, Shade, then go ahead and start doing a little bit more. So if you can go ahead and do the same thing, go in for another 10 minutes, second round. And if you want to even step it up even further, go for the third round. Build yourself up where you feel that your fitness level is increasing. Then go ahead and do this for 20 minutes or go ahead and do it for 30 minutes. You're only going to build your potential up and you're also going to see much better results the more work you can put in yourself. But that's it from this workout. If you like this, make sure you hit that like button. Give it a try if you haven't. Also comment down in the section below. Let me know what you'd like to see in the next video. Also subscribe and show that love for the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.